if you're involved with any kind of RC activities, whether it be cars, planes, drones, you've probably came across these power meters. They're great, super cheap off the internet. I think this cost me about £5 delivered, which is great. They're not the most accurate in the grand scheme of things, but I can't complain for the basic kind of information that I need to find out. One thing I found is they're a bit awkward to mount if I'm working on my desk, so I quickly designed in Fusion 360 this quick bracket. Super easy to print, it's got a couple of countersunk screw holes in, and yeah, it's good to go. The plan for this is actually to make it easier to read out displays when I'm doing some work on a thrust test platform that I've been building. I will get the files online for that and do a blog post once I get it finished, hopefully in the next week or two. The two countersunk screws make it super easy to mount. You could use bolts, whatever you need to. To be honest, double-sided tape on the bottom of it would probably be enough to keep it in place. It's fairly straightforward. It is a nice snug fit. You can see where I've had to manipulate the bracket a little bit just to get it to slide in, but once it's in, it's super secure, it's not going to move, and it's at a nice 45-degree angle, so to be able to read out the displays, One thing I found, that they're not the brightest. It can be a bit hard to see with my lights on, so I've just turned the lights off to read out. I have double checked it against my multimeter, which to be honest is also fairly cheap, so they're within a few millivolts of each other, but against proper bench equipment I can imagine that it's going to be out a little bit. But so far so good, I'm happy. Another thing these are often used for, and something else I'm quite keen on, is custom built kind of DIY camper vans. So what I've done, and I'm planning to use this on another project that I'm working on kind of slowly in the background, is a surface mount, kind of panel mount equivalent of what I've done. So I've stripped the case off and it secures the electronics into this plate. I still need to clean it up, but the actual holes, the mounting space, and it all works out quite good. I'll get the files up for this one as well, but yeah, overall quite happy. As always, if you found this interesting, why not kind of show your support, give us a like, subscribe, check out the blog, leave a comment. It's always interesting to see if anyone's found anything particularly useful or anything I can do better, to be honest. Thanks.